Kanzi, could you cut the onions with your knife? Well, that's very good. Thank you. Could you put some soap on your ball? Well, that's a good job. That's very nice. Thank you. Kanzi, can you put the pine needles in the refrigerator? Good job. Thank you. Kanzi, are you listening? Could you put some soap in the water? Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Could you listen again? Okay. Kanzi, could you pour a little Coke in the water? Could you pour some Coke in the water? Thank you. That's enough. You can. Okay. Kanzi, pour the Perrier water in the jelly. Thank you. That's good. That's good. You see the TV set? Could you take the TV outdoors? Could you carry the television outdoors, please? Thank you.